Man, those guys are real still. I saw them opening their mouth when Mom was coming around not long ago, but they're real still right now. I think I've seen a great horned owl down here. Yep, there he is. He's a big guy. First he was turned and he was looking at something in the tree down the way. Then he turned around and looked at me. Another look at him through the shed. There he is. I think he spotted me in this window too. Yeah, he's keeping an eye on me. I'm gonna see if I can go outside and get a look at him. Hopefully he won't get scared. Up there. There is the bird that I think he was watching, and that appears to be, I think it's an immature hawk, because I'm pretty sure I saw his mother a little earlier, and I heard him calling for his mom. Let me get a better, try and get a steadier shot. There he is. He's got orange feet too, but he definitely looks like some kind of hawk. I saw his mother, who looked like a, I don't know, almost looked like a red tail, fly off. He hasn't moved since. I have some new visitors this morning. I think they've all decided to stop here. It's like an Alfred Hitchcock movie. I've gotten quite a bit closer. There are about 6 trees around me, and the trees are just full of them. They keep buzzing right by my face over here. It's kind of scary.